Okay, let's get started. I'm going to be doing this bit first, obviously, because it's number one. What I'll probably do is I will assemble one, maybe two. I won't show all of them being assembled. I might do some time lapsing, just because it takes up too much video time. So. Okay, so that's the first wheel done. Yeah, I think it's one of the drive wheels. I think it's the front wheel. Right, I'll place that in a little tub so it doesn't get lost. And move on to the second one. So this little bit got broken. Don't know how, maybe it was me. So I'm just going to glue it back into place using super glue. Because it's quite an important part. So I'll just leave that to that one to one side for a minute. Now, yeah, I've already built one of these, put a whole wheel together. There is a slight little indent. Now, I'm not entirely sure which way round that's got to go. I think it goes around that way. It looks right when it's put together. Okay, so I have got an absolute ton of these wheels to do. I won't record all of it because it'd just be boring, because I'll just be repeating that process over and over again. I do like how you can add the rubber bits separately, so if you wanted to spray it all separately you could, if you wanted to do the rubber wheels separately, or if you wanted them burnt out, I'm guessing, because you have all this bit, all the sides, skirting all missing and all that, you could have it as a expensive kit to do it with, but you could have it as a range wreck, I was thinking, especially if they do the inside kit for it, which would be really good. But yeah, so far I'm really enjoying this. The moulding on this is lovely, they go together really well. So yeah, I'm going to crack on and do these wheels off camera, because it'd be just too much to watch, I think. Okay, I just wanted to sort of show you the sort of a production line that you could do yourself if you're doing one of these. So I'm going to time lapse this, but it's like a production line, like on any factory. And there you go, there's all the wheels constructed, left and right, in left and right tubs. Now moving on to stage 3, constructing stage 3 for constructing the suspension, possibly moving on to stage 5, stage 6. Stage 7 as well, if you will. Okay, so I've assembled one suspension sprocket, or swing arm assembly, or yes, it's a suspension sprocket. It's the right side, and oh my god, this kit is so good. I'm really impressed by how the suspension actually works. That's pretty cool, and it comes off the sprue so lovely as well. They've actually designed the sprue so you can take it off really nicely. But anyway, I didn't film this assembly because I didn't know how it was going to go, because I was so now I'm going to assemble the second one, which will be the left side, I believe. I've already cut them off the sprue. Let's put a bit of glue up there as well. Right, let's just leave that to dry for a bit. Swap the spring over. That one actually went together better than this one did. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a little knobbly bit on there, so it kind of, you have to force it through. It stays there. It's pretty. That's pretty. So there you go, that's the right one, that's the left one. And the suspension all works, so put that in the right box, put that one in the left box. Okay, I thought I'll just show you how suspension B will go together. I've already done the others, this is the last one, so I'm just going to mark it on the back with an R because it's the rear. This is the rear one, and this is the middle one, marked with an M. Okay, so to move on to the next stage. So roller wheel for the middle. So we have a middle one and a rear one. Right, now moving on to stage 9, more of the lower hull, and stage 10 of the lower hull as well. Okay, I think that pretty much brings us to the end of the lower hull and suspension. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Please join me next time for the rest of this build. Okay, bye for now.